How to add or remove the flashlight to the control center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the control center. Next, tap on the Add button. Then we go down and tap on Add a control. So tap on the Add button, then tap on Add a control. Next, in the control list, swipe up to go down. Now scroll down until you see it say flashlight or utilities. So we go to the utilities section and tap on flashlight. This will allow you to add the flashlight widget to the control center. Now to remove the widget, simply tap on the remove button once you are in edit mode, and then you can remove the flashlight shortcut from the control center. Once you are done, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now from the control center, you can now tap on the flashlight shortcut to turn on flashlight or to switch it off. Here we can make it brighter or dimmer. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.